Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Keychron K2 Max, a 75% layout wireless mechanical keyboard designed for both work and play. This compact 84-key keyboard aims to deliver a customizable and versatile experience, and it largely succeeds. The K2 Max supports 2.4 GHz Bluetooth and wired connections, offering flexibility for various setups. Whether you're connecting to a desktop, laptop, or even a gaming console, the K2 Max has you covered. The ability to switch between devices seamlessly is a definite plus for those who juggle multiple devices. One of the standout features of the K2 Max is its QMK and Keychron launcher support. The open-source QMK firmware opens up a world of customization, allowing you to remap keys, create macros, and set up custom shortcuts. The Keychron Launcher web app simplifies this process, making it accessible even for those who are new to keyboard customization. The level of control you have over the keyboard's functionality is impressive. The model we're looking at today features super red switches. These switches are known for their smooth and linear feel, making them a solid choice for both gaming and typing. The hot swappable design means you can easily change the switches without soldering, allowing you to experiment with different switch types to find your perfect feel. The keyboard also features RGB backlighting, which adds a touch of flair to your setup. The lighting is customizable, allowing you to choose from a variety of effects and colors to match your preferences. In terms of build quality, the K2 Max feels solid and well-constructed. The compact design makes it ideal for smaller desks or for those who prefer a more minimalist setup. The keycaps feel durable and have a pleasant texture. Overall, the Keychron K2 Max is a well-rounded wireless mechanical keyboard that offers a lot of value for its price. Its versatility, customization options, and solid build quality make it a great choice for anyone looking for a compact and capable keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.